Today I'm going to be reviewing Supforce's no drilling closet rods. These are tension rods. You just twist it and it's going to put tension against the wall and hold it up. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. You can go from 17 to 69 inches, really easy. So here's two of them. It's so easy. You just screw it together like this in the center. And then one end has the spring and this just goes out. So one end on the wall and then this you just go until you hit the wall a little bit more, get tension on there, and you are set. You're also going to get two extender rods so you can get up to that 69 inches if you need it. 1.8 inches here. If you want, it does come with brackets if you want to permanently install it, but the tension will work perfect for RVs, perfect for the house, maybe perfect in your basement, wherever you need it. Definitely easy to use with that tension rod. No holes if you don't want. This will hold up to 66 pounds. Absolutely amazing. That's exactly what you want. This does pretty well on Amazon. It gets 4.2 stars. I normally like to see 4.4, but it's not a big deal. It's pretty close. And anything over 4 usually means it's pretty good. I'm not seeing that these are getting returned, which is what I want to see. And last month, 500 of just this was sold on Amazon. Check out their other sizes. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.